Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer metrics from Google Analytics to Metabase, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer metrics from Google Analytics to Metabase, first ensure you have access to both Google Analytics and Metabase. Log into your Google Analytics account. Select the desired account and property from which you want to extract data. Navigate to the Admin section located at the bottom left corner. In the Property column, click on Data Streams. Choose the data stream you wish to work with. Locate the Measurement Protocol section, where you can find necessary information for transfer. Open a new tab and log in to your Metabase account. Once logged in, go to the Admin panel on the top right corner. Click on Databases from the menu. Select Add Database to integrate a new data source. Choose the Google Analytics option from the available database types. You will be prompted to enter your Google Analytics information. Input your Google Analytics credentials securely. After the connection is established, define the relevant metrics you want to import. You can usually select standard metrics like sessions, users, page views, and custom metrics if needed. Once you finalize your metric selections, click Save. Now navigate to the Metabase main. Select Ask a Question to start building your query. Choose the Google Analytics database you just added. Start creating visualizations based on the metrics you transferred. Customize filters and segments as necessary to tailor your analysis. You can save your questions and create dashboards for ongoing monitoring. Explore the various visualization options in Metabase to present your data effectively. Continue to refine and update your metrics as needed for future use. With these steps, you now have a complete guide to transferring metrics from Google Analytics to Metabase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.